Alright, lovely people, how are you today? Okay, we are going to look at algebraic equations involving such equations. Now we have an expression that asking us to solve for x if root of x minus 2 plus 4 equals to x. The main approach here is to make sure that you get rid of the roots. Get rid of the roots and then solve whatever it gives you. If it gives you a linear equation, you solve. A cubic, a parabolic, you solve. So in order to get rid of the roots, we leave it in one side. Every other thing that is not inside the root should be taken to the other side so that we can square both sides and get rid of the roots. Remember, that's the first approach. So we have root of x minus 2 equals to x minus 4. Plus 4 crossing over. So we square both sides. Please, you can't square only one side because you may have altered the flow. You need to square both sides to get rid of the roots and also balance the equation. Down here, this square will cancel out this root. We have x minus 2 on the left hand side. And then when we simplify this, remember that this is actually x minus 4 into 2 places. Please note, do not plug in the squares inside. Expand. The square means it belongs to everything in the bracket. Expand it to the number of the exponents here. So if we take this gives us x squared minus 4 minus 8 squared. If we distribute, plus 16. Now rewrite this in standard form. Rewrite it in standard form, bring all of them together and equate to 0 before you can solve. As you can see, it gives us a quadratic equation. So we have, I'm taking everything over, x squared minus x, 8x minus x will give us minus 9x. 16 minus 2 crossing over becomes plus 2, gives us plus 18 equals to 0. Now we think about factorizing, or if we cannot factorize, we think about using the quadratic formula. Now let's look at, we need two numbers and when we add them, it gives us this. When we multiply them, it gives us the last one. So we will have x minus 6 and x minus 3. Please be careful with the sign. It must give you the same thing. Negative 6, negative 3 gave us negative 9. And negative 3 times negative 6 gave us positive 18. You must be sure that it gives you both sides when you are adding and multiplying. So if we equate individual brackets to 0, you will see that the first value of x will be equals to 6 and x will be equals to 3. For side equations, we also check for critical values like we do with inequalities. We check for the values that are valid for the given expression from the original. Now, if we look at this, if we check for 6, if we have 6 minus 2, that is 4. Root of 4 is 2. Remember, x is 6. 6 minus 4, 2 is 4. Root of 4 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 6. What we have on the right hand side is equals to what we have on the left hand side. So x equals to 6 is valid. Now let's check the second one. This check must be done, else your answer will not be valid. For the second one, if we take x equals to 3, we have 3 minus 2 and 3 on this other side. 3 minus 2 is root of 1. Root of 1 is 1 plus 4. It gave us 5. Is 5 equals to 3? No. So in that case, we need to reject x equals to 3. So the only valid answer for this third equation is x equals to 6. Please, this critical check is very important. So this is the solution to this problem. If you have further questions, please, I'm here to help. Subscribe to my channel, follow my pages, and please always come on board so that you get the necessary help. I'll see you.